Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. On the ETH chart, the situation hasn't changed at all. I'm still watching if we can get here this C wave to the downside completed. Let me explain what the preferred wave structure is. The preferred wave structure that you actually see here on the chart is the white wave count, which indicates that we have a good chance to see another further extension higher. That has been our primary scenario for the last, few days, actually for a week, for more than a week. So this has come true because the assumption was that a wave 4 bottomed here on the 17th of November and that we would see the fifth wave to the upside unfold. Okay, it's not completely unfolded yet, but we've already broken out of this descending price channel here. Let me go to the 1 hour chart, by the way. We've broken out of the descending price channel here to the upside. And yes, we haven't taken out the previous high, but we are very, very close. The idea was that a wave 4 could have finished here. We also called the turning point. Yeah, there was a signal I gave to channel members on the day and did say, yeah, maybe we get one more low, or take a look at this, where that low happened. Take a look at this 1909 level for a possible turnaround. And yeah, that also came true. We then we rallied in a corrective move up, but that was likely just the wave 1 of the wave 5, because wave 5 is likely unfolding as an ending diagonal. So we had wave 1, we had wave 2. We're likely still in wave 3, and this is where it's getting a little bit messy. By the way, let me take out some of these boxes. We don't need that one. This one is relevant though. This one is relevant, so we're going to take a look at that. The idea was, okay, we are in the third wave. The third wave is likely an ABC structure. So, because we are dealing with an ending diagonal, yeah? The problem I have is that, yes, we had an A wave, which has very limited structure. And then what is this? Okay, this is very, very messy. It looks like another 3-wave move up, maybe 5. But, I mean, what would it be? It could be another 1-2 setup, okay? Maybe this was wave A, maybe this was all of wave B, this dip that happened on Thursday, and we are already in wave C, and then this is a 1-2 setup, but it would need to turn to the upside right now. Okay, so basically then we would be in the wave 3 of C now, but it would literally not be allowed really to go much lower. And that would be okay, that would be part of this scenario. Or we have a chance to go a little lower. The wave B is still in the making and is forming as an A wave, an overshooting B wave, and the C wave down. The thing is here as well, the problem with an overshooting B wave is that small C wave that you see here on the chart. Let me just zoom in. That small C wave that you see here on the chart doesn't necessarily need to move below the low of the A wave, because if we have an overshooting B wave, a so-called running flat is possible. A running flat means that the C wave does not need to break below the low of the A wave. So it's technically possible that this might already be complete. I don't have a very good reading of the subwave structure, and we see something like a triple bottom here they rarely hold. So I have no evidence that this low is in, so it might very well go a little lower. What we established in the last video was that as long as we're holding 1965, no, 19, what is it? 1965. As long as we're holding 1965, the current assumption is a reasonable assumption. Below that level, it starts to get a little bit deep for a B wave, and then we might need to look at other options like the yellow wave count, which allows for a re-entry, of the larger orange box, which is for the larger wave 4. So it would be a reset of this wave 4, and we have a chance to start wave 5 afterwards, but that's only the alternative. So I'm following the white count until it gets invalidated. For now, I see no signals that it gets invalidated. So I'm watching for this C wave of wave 3 to play out, possibly towards $2,200. Then a fourth wave and a wave 5 of 5 would be ideal to complete this. And that should give you all the relevant parameters to watch and an idea of the wave count. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.